The best drones capture stunning aerial images for beginners and professional photographers alike, and they're fun to fly, too. Whether you want to shoot bird's-eye view videos or you see drones as the modern equivalent of model airplanes and just want to buzz through the skies, there's a quadcopter out there for you. Hello guys, in this video we're looking at the 5 best budget drones of 2024, and if you want more information we also put the links in the description box below. Thanks. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro with DJI RC. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro packs a slew of features ideal for enthusiasts and professionals alike. It stands apart from the crowd with its 5.1K Hasselblad triple camera system, which can capture insanely detailed 5.1K video at up 50 frames per second and still images at up to 48 megapixels. The cameras sit on a 3-axis gimbal for maximum tilt, roll and pan control. One camera has a wide-angle 24mm lens with a large 4/3 CMOS sensor for better dynamic range and lower noise in low-light environments. It also has an adjustable aperture from f/2.8 to f/11. The second camera has a 166mm telephoto lens with 28x hybrid digital and optical zoom and an aperture of f/3.4. There's also a medium, 70mm telephoto camera that has 48MP resolution and an aperture of f/2.8. These higher-end cameras do a remarkable job capturing daytime or night shots. All video content can be stored using the drone's 1TB SSD of internal storage. This drone's enhanced omnidirectional sensors, built-in GPS and advanced auto-return feature help its pilot avoid obstacles in complex environments. Number 2. HOVR Air X1 Self-Flying Camera. The HOVR Air X1 isn't your typical drone. Rather than guiding it with controls on your phone or using joysticks on a remote control, the HOVR Air is a selfie drone. Launch it from the palm of your hand and it'll follow you, orbit you, or zoom far overhead to take bird's-eye video. So while you can't use this drone for recreational flying or to shoot cinematic videos of your neighborhood, it's ideal as a sort of flying selfie stick to capture footage of you riding a skateboard or hiking the side of a mountain. The drone's magic is in its simplicity. A single button on the drone lets you choose from among a half-dozen modes: hover in place, zoom out, follow, orbit, bird's eye, snapshot and dolly track, which has the drone fly in front of you, moving backwards to keep you in frame. The button also allows you to customize certain flight characteristics, such as how far away from you the drone flies while shooting. It launches from your hand, tracks your body and settles back down on your hand when the shoot is done. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Pro, Lightweight Drone. The DJI Mini 3 Pro weighs a mere 2.8 ounces and fits in your palm when folded, making it great to pack for your next trip. Its flight time lasts up to 34 minutes, and it has a flight range of 7.5 miles. With the extra cost plus battery, it can stay airborne for a lofty 47 minutes. Like other DJI models, the DJI Mini 3 Pro has convenient features like automatic takeoff and smart return to home. The camera sits on a 3-axis gimbal and can capture content in portrait or landscape mode. Its specs impress. It has a 4x digital zoom, a wide 180-degree field of view and can shoot 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. Detailed and sharp still images can be shot at a massive 48 megapixels. Despite its small size, this drone can withstand winds of up to 23 miles per hour. Its compact size comes in handy in many regions, as the Mini 3 Pro may be small enough to bypass local regulatory rules. What the reviews say, the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone has been an absolute game-changer for me as I explore my new town. This lightweight and powerful drone have provided me with incredible aerial views and an opportunity to capture high-quality shots that showcase the beauty of my surroundings. Number 4. DJI Air3, DJI RC N2. Best for tech enthusiasts looking for a drone with more features for less. DJI's Air3 is a good option for those looking for a more premium drone than the beginner-friendly DJI Mini 3 Pro, but aren't ready to splurge on the pricey DJI Mavic 3 Pro. For a couple $100 more than the DJI Mini 3 Pro, the Air3 adds a second camera lens and several advanced features, including omnidirectional obstacle sensing and waypoint, a feature that lets you plan flight routes and shooting actions in advance, plus save those routes to be repeated later. All to say, this drone opens more creative doors than the Mini 3 Pro, while being nearly half the price of the more premium Mavic 3 Pro. What the reviews say, I have to say Air3 has brought my creative vision to new heights. It is a remarkable piece of equipment. While it comes with a higher price tag, it's definitely worth it, writes one reviewer. Number 5. DJI Mavic 3 Classic, DJI RC. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is an extremely powerful yet somewhat scaled-down version of the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. You get excellent photo and video capture capabilities, combined with solid flight range, top speed and maximum flight time. It uses GPS, Galileo, and Beidou for navigation and has 8 GB of internal storage for capturing video and still images during flights. The camera has 3x digital zoom capabilities and has an 84-degree field of view to capture great images and video. You also get a burst shooting mode that can capture 3, 5, or 7 frames per second. Video shooting resolution can get up to 5.1K at 50 frames per second. For amateur pilots, the omnidirectional binocular vision system, supplemented by infrared sensors at the bottom of the drone, help to prevent crashes. The drone comes with a remote control, battery, charger and everything else needed to start flying. While you don't get the 3 Hasselblad camera setup that the new Mavic 3 Pro has, this classic version is significantly more affordable and comes with enough features that it makes our top billing. Thanks for watching. That's all for now and hope all of you guys enjoy the video. Thanks.